today for the Bitcoin price. And yes guys, it is happening today. The decision time for Bitcoin and Ethereum is happening today, actually within the next few hours. And what am I actually talking about? Well, I wanted to make a video actually more towards the evening time here, but well, once again I found something in the charts and of course I feel obligated talking about that. And I can tell you something guys, what's happening in the next few hours will determine in what direction Bitcoin is going to go here in the immediate short term. Still not knowing what I'm talking about. Well, first of all, you probably remember yesterday Ethereum, Bitcoin was actually breaking out of this W pattern very close to my price target. I predicted actually earlier, not yet, but not exactly, but very close. You know, we are taking profits before the price target. Disclaimer, I didn't take the trade, but I saw many of you guys actually took the trade, so congratulations for you. However, we broke down, Bitcoin W'd out and it is going up for a retest. What does this mean? Well, the volume is giving us an answer, but stick here with me. The most important thing is Ethereum right now. Oh, and by the way guys, before I forget it, I saw that most of you guys are trading. I mean, obviously we are a very profitable trading channel, but not all of you are actually using a bonus link. And this is something I don't get. If you're already trading, if you're already an experienced trader, you might as well use the links down below. I have put together $2,520 for free. If you scroll down, you click these links. After your initial deposit, it takes like a minute of work to make the account and to make the initial deposit. You get $2,520 for free. You can trade with this free bonus and at a 40x leverage. This is a $100,000 trade for free. Once again, guys, you can see here, with this Facebook rumors yesterday that Facebook is owning Bitcoin, then they had their quarterly earnings report and the rumors were destroyed, Bitcoin broke down, held. But the thing is, we had huge volume at this rejection. Bitcoin was actually strong enough, the bear bulls were strong enough, and when the Bitcoin eventually broke down, there was basically no volume to back it up. So this is for me the first sign that this might be a fake out, that Bitcoin might not reach our price target of $52,500. Well, of course we can still reach it, but only if we are getting here a very strong rejection actually towards the downside. That's the moment I would personally, if I would be a short trader, trade that short. But so far everything points towards that this could be potentially a fake out for Bitcoin. And if we are closing an hourly candle back in that pattern, I would be looking out for a very specific price target I'm gonna be talking about a little bit later in the video. First of all, I wanted to show you why I personally think that this might be a fake out. Well, as you remember, we are taking Ethereum very often, more often than not, as at least in the last few days and weeks here, as a leading indicator as to what is going to happen for Bitcoin. Meaning, Ethereum breaks out towards the upside, means that Bitcoin breaks out afterwards. Ethereum breaking out towards the downside, meaning Bitcoin breaks out afterwards. This happens many times here, at least in the last few days and weeks. And Ethereum helped us to not only make profits, but also prevent us from losing so, especially the last time when we were spotting the Bitcoin fake out actually, and we were not getting involved into short trades because Ethereum didn't break out. Now, Bitcoin broke out towards the downside, but Ethereum is still within that pattern, pointing towards that maybe, guys, Bitcoin is actually going back into the pattern. Let's wait and see what happens here, and let's first of all focus on what is my price target for Ethereum. Well, first of all, I personally could imagine that Ethereum is going up for another retest of the upward sloping support among the $2,870 levels, which will be in alignment with the 1.414. But if we are breaking out, well, then we are looking at completely different price targets. First of all, the first price target we are looking at is the Fibonacci golden ratio, the $2,970 levels. But then eventually, of course, since Bitcoin Ethereum is going further and further within that pattern, you would have to take at least the last touch point here, I would say. Right now we would have to take this one here, which is a little bit more conservative, which is actually usually in and of itself a good thing. And if I am pulling that over right here, then you can see that this price target would bring us above the 3,000 to the 3,100, 3,070, 3,080 $US price targets for Ethereum. However, what is my price target for Bitcoin right now? And here we need to write the narrative of a bullish stance, because you know the deal, guys. If Bitcoin gets a rejection here, we are looking out for at least the price target of 52,600 US dollars. This is the bearish price target we have to keep in mind in case we are getting a rejection here. If Bitcoin gets back into the pattern, guys, you can pop probably the champagne bottles, and we can look out for price targets of at least actually a retest of the upward sloping support among the 57,000 US dollar levels. But of course, if we are eventually breaking out of this specific pattern here for Bitcoin, then I would personally looking out for the 59,400 US dollar price targets for Bitcoin. Of course, guys, do not forget, as I already talked about that initially here, that if you never used a bonus link, well, what the heck are you waiting for? Because right now you are getting 2,520 US dollars in free bonuses if you are an experienced trader. In the pinned comment down below, if you never use them, this is the moment. It is for free to click it. You get a bonus, we get a bonus. After your initial deposit, you get 2,520 US dollars accumulated on these links for free. You can trade with it, and if at a 40x leverage, this is a 100,000 US dollar trade for free. If you're not using it, I don't know anymore, guys. If you never use the bonus link, this is the moment. Use it down below, click it, takes a minute or so, and you can trade with the free bonus completely for free. Of course, I want to be talking about my trade over on Bybit as well. I am having it open, guys. You know, I put my money where my mouth is. 1.1 million US dollars here in quantity, and actually approximately 9 Bitcoin in a profit. That is $500,000 US dollars in a profit. I'm not closing that down. Actually, my next target where I'm taking profits on this more long-term trade is 75,000 US dollars. Let me know what is your price target here, and of course, guys, I could imagine that April closes red here. This is just something what I wanted to say. So we still have upside for the next one day here until the 30th, but I could imagine that we are closing red. This is something we needed. We had 6 green months in a row. The 7th month can be red. That is fine, right? We can have one unprofitable month. We actually had that in the last bull market as well. I will elaborate on that in the next video again. So yeah, with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one of MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always, bye bye.